Okay, so we're going to do a quick unboxing here. We have basically a PCIe network adapter. The old one was Bluetooth, and decided to go with PCIe. I'll explain in a minute. So we have an installation guide. It's in English and I think in Spanish. Yeah. Kit for Bluetooth audio or Bluetooth connectivity. A screwdriver. Some miscellaneous screws. The antennas. Take both those out real quick. A shorty connector for the back of the board. So if you got a short board or a short case, then you can put that in there, and then the actual card. So, and then a CD. That's kind of funny. So that's pretty much about it. I'm going to go ahead and put this in there, and then get rid of the Bluetooth adapter that I have that does Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. So, pick this up off of Amazon. Link will be down in the description. Your basic card. So now with the install. Okay, so we're inside the computer. What I've done is I've removed the back plate here. That's behind the section here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this plate. The instructions say to find a USB connection. So there are two here. There's 1 and 2 there. And give me 1 second here. You can go ahead and plug this in. As you can see, the connections are going to be offset compared to that. So let's see. We're going to put that down that way. We're going to go here. I got that. Good. Okay. And the trick is just to feel the edge of the pins and push down, and it should be equal pressure on it. Alright, so I'm going to slide this card in. That is in the slot. So we're going to push that down. Going to go ahead and put a screw in that. And the last portion would be to hook up that power adapter from the USB. I believe that powers the USB for the board and for the Bluetooth. And then I have to do the adapters of the antennas for the back. So, get that thing down. All right, we'll put there. And this connection goes in here, I believe. Let's see. Should go in there. Should be the keyword. I have big monster hands. What are we doing here? Okay, I did get it in there. It is keyed a certain way. The key in the pin is actually on the side of the pin, and it's either up or lower depending on. So you just look at the key on here and then put it in the board. So, all right. So with everything installed, I've got the antennas hooked up. Everything's buttoned back up. I've got the cable connected to the USB in the front, and everything's good to go. The only thing left is running speed tests. So